Hey everybody, James Reed back with another video. I'm out here in Gonzales, Louisiana, about an hour away from New Orleans. I'm at Jambalaya Park. This area of Louisiana is known for jambalaya. They have the Jambalaya Festival here at this park. There's a bayou right here, Bayou Francois. Excuse me, Bayou Francois. We're in Louisiana. I've seen a bunch of big bluegill. I'm gonna catch them. Stay tuned. James J. Reed, I'll catch you in the next clip. Like, share, subscribe. Here today at Jambalaya Park, about to do some pan fishing. Except, last time I went fishing, I noticed that my rod tip was broken. You probably can't see, but the ceramic guide in there is chipped and cracked, and it was cutting my line every time I would cast. So I'm gonna remove it and put a new one on and then do some fishing. I'm gonna start by cutting away the epoxy. Okay, got most of the epoxy off, and now we're going to file through the thin metal on the rod tip. Alright, I'm almost through it. The goal is to grind through the guide without grinding into your rod blank. Alright, well I think I actually broke the tip off there, but we'll see what happens. I got the old tip off. I'm going to remove some more of the epoxy. Yeah, there we go, it's off. And now I got the rod tips here. I think the small one's gonna fit. A little too big, but I'm gonna glue it on anyway. It's the only one I got. Alright, so here's the part where we start using the glue. It comes with the kit. Hot melt glue is a little different than just hot glue. A little bit stronger. What I want to do is get a little thread coming off of there, a little bit. Stick some onto here. And then we're going to stick a little bit in there. This should be all we need. Alright, so I'm going to try to stick that in there. I might need to warm it up some now. Alright, so I've got the rod tip on there. It's actually bigger than my second eye, but we're going to leave it. I'll change it to a smaller one later. So now that I've got it lined up, I'm pretty happy with that. I'm going to take the lighter and just melt that glue. Alright, well, I'm happy with that. The glue is melted. It's very hot. I just got some on my finger. Alright, so we're going to let that glue set. Maybe I'll do just a little bit more. Alright, we're going to let that set, and then I'm going to tie up and start fishing. James J. Reed, like, share, subscribe. I'll catch you in the next clip. Catch some bluegill out here in Gonzales, Louisiana. Peace. Little baby alligator, y'all, I don't know. It's about as close as I can get with this lens. Tiny guy, maybe 2 feet long at the most. South Louisiana, never know what you'll find. First fish of the day on the repaired rod. It's a bluegill. Of course it is. The gator thought he'd get my bluegill. He's back in the bayou. You're too slow, gator. My worm's still in good shape. I'm going to use it again. Got another fish. No. Maybe next time. Got another fish. No. Maybe next time. Got a catfish. Got a catfish. Alright, he's going back in the bayou. Little catfish. Bayou Francois, Gonzales, Louisiana, James J. Reed. Oh, some big turtles out here, y'all. I don't know if you can see them. I'm sure you can. Big ass turtles here. Caught another bluegill. Tiny little bluegill out here in Gonzales.